All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous looking 2007 Chevy Impala. Yes, this is something different and this is something new. Once again, 2007 Chevy Impala with 100,000 miles, navy blue in color. It looks to be like a navy blue metallic. It looks really nice. From the state of California. Yes, this was a government vehicle. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Tinted windows from the department. Yes, that appears to be like a dark shade. Once again, that is from the department. Original navy blue metallic in color from the department, from factory. Yes, he does have a couple little scratches and he's got about maybe 2 or 3 door dings. This is a flex fuel vehicle, so E85 okay. The paint looks immaculate, super shiny. I do have some scuff marks on the rear bumper. Let me get closer here so you guys can see them. Scuff marks right there. Backtrack here and right there. Once again, they are hardly noticeable. It blends in with the color of the car, but it's my job to tell you that they are there. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape all around. Let me see, let me backtrack here. I got door ding somewhere here, guys. You can kind of see it. You get up close and personal, you'll see it right there. I got another one right here and another one right here, and that's about it. Let's continue here. Super sharp running vehicle here, guys. Whatever agency had it here in the state of California did a great job taking care of it, inside and out. Taken care of by the department. This was not a private party vehicle, so it does have one owner, and that is the state of California. I do have some stains, bird drops on the roof. My guys didn't, they couldn't bring those out. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, I do have some stains from bird droppings on the roof. I do have clear lights and lenses in the front. Look at how shiny the paint looks. That is the original paint of the vehicle. However, my detail crew does a great job at bringing everything back to life. So this is all their work right here, guys. This is not me. All right, let's go inside real quick. Once again, 2007 E85 okay. Folks, as you can see, the interior is in immaculate shape. Perfect seats, perfect carpet. All seat belts and buckles are in place. I mean, it is complete. However, let me backtrack here. I am missing the floor mats, but don't worry. I ordered a set of original equipment on eBay, and they are on the way to me. Perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat, perfect dash. Let me clean this up here for you guys. There you go. Perfect dash, perfect console, honk works. Clean these up here for you guys. There it is. Also, I do have 3 little holes right there. That's probably where the switches were for the lights and siren for this particular car. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up. Just so you know, the vehicle did come with 1 key and 1 remote control. There it is, guys. It's got 100,000 miles. Oh, let me turn the lights off. That is just me playing with the lights. Let's go back over here. Vehicle does have 100,000 miles. They're all original. Okay. Let's get to the trunk. Let's get to the trunk and the engine bay here for you guys. Let me clean this up. Once again, this is a 2007 Chevy Impala, state of California vehicle. Clean trunk. I do have one donut as a spare. Before I forget, the vehicle did come with a nice set of BF Goodrich tires from the department. They appear to be in semi-new condition, so they were probably replaced not long ago. One little scratch right there, didn't come off. Once again, it is original paint, ladies and gentlemen, so please expect to see a couple dings and scratches as expected on any government vehicle. This is not a repaint. I repeat, this is not a repaint. And boom, bam. As you can see, the vehicle has been completely detailed. Engine bay looks gorgeous. I can literally eat right off of it. The vehicle is in very smooth running condition. It is a 3.5 V6 engine, super smooth, super quiet. And yes, it is a gas saver, let me tell ya. Super great in gas, so you're gonna get great MPG. Right now I'm running 91 high octane fuel. She runs great, let me tell ya. Okay, here we go. Getting to the services. Let's go right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. I went ahead and ran a BG fuel system treatment on the vehicle. Fresh 530 full synthetic oil change and filter. Transmission was serviced. So it does have a fluid and filter by AC Delco. Transmission, fluid and filter by AC Delco. I'm not using anything else for these vehicles. It appears to have a new battery from the department. It appears to have new hoses from that department. It also appears to have a new drive belt from that department. It does have new AC Delco wires and spark plugs. I'm telling you, they took great care of these cars. I went ahead and installed new front and rear brakes on this vehicle, along with the other little services. Okay, once again, it's got brand new front and rear brakes. Super cold air conditioner, super nice. I love this car. If you're in the market looking for a great, reliable, inexpensive vehicle, this is the car for you. One last final look here as I make my way around the vehicle. Flex fuel, guys. Everything works. I've also ordered a new set of headlights, H11s by Sylvania Silverstar, so they're gonna be a little bit brighter than the regular ones. So here she is, ladies and gentlemen, 2007 Chevy Impala, state of California vehicle, in immaculate running condition and shape. Once again, if you are in the market for a great, inexpensive, reliable car, I got one right here for you. Turnkey ready to go anywhere. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or text me. Now, let me make this clear. Please, if you're gonna call me or text me, make sure you're serious about doing business. Okay? Please don't give me the runaround trying to get knowledge from me so you can use it and apply it in your purchase on another car. That's not how it works. Okay? Lately I'm having to cut a few guys out because they're asking me a million questions and they're not buying a car from me. Once again, guys, I'm open to talking to you, answering your text messages, and if you're interested in buying this car, please feel free to get a hold of me. Okay? I'd like to thank you for watching this 10-minute video. You guys have yourself a great weekend. Be safe out there. Make sure you guys are hydrated. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Take care.